Hello my dear friends, I am Rizwan Khan from our YouTube channel, Our Language School. Friends, in this video I am going to teach you Spanish vocabulary, and it is very important for you all to do revision of my previous videos. So please watch my previous videos also. And in this video I am going to teach you singular vocabulary, and for male we always use article in Spanish el, el, and for female we use la. So first I will teach you masculine vocabulary and then I will teach you feminine vocabulary. So let's start. First is the book. The book in Spanish, el libro, el libro, el libro, el libro. Second, the brother. The brother in Spanish, el hermano, el hermano, hermano. Next is the picture. The picture in Spanish, el cuadro, el cuadro, cuadro. Next, the male friend, the friend who is male, the friend. The friend is el amigo, el amigo, amigo. This is very important. El amigo, el amigo, el amigo. The son. Next is the son. The son in Spanish, el hijo, el hijo, hijo. Next is el número, el número, the number. The number in Spanish, el número, el número. Next is the color. The color in Spanish, el color, el color, color, el color. So now friends, I am going to teach feminine vocabulary in singular form. Next is the house. The house in Spanish, la casa, la casa, casa, la casa. A table in Spanish, la mesa, la mesa, mesa, la mesa. Next is the sister. The sister in Spanish, la hermana, la hermana, hermana, la hermana. The mother, la madre, madre, madre. Next is the woman. The woman in Spanish, la mujer. J we cannot pronounce like the mujer. No. In Spanish, J sounds like K. K. La mujer. La mujer. La mujer. La mujer. Next is the daughter. The daughter in Spanish, la hija. La hija, la hija. Next is the truth. The truth in Spanish, la verdad, la verdad, la verdad. Next is the lesson. The lesson in Spanish, la lección, la lección, la lección. Next is the face. The face in Spanish, la cara, la cara, la cara. And at the end, the bath. The bath. The bath. The bath in Spanish, la bañera, niera, la bañera, la bañera. So guys, I hope you like this video, and please, again I am saying, do not forget to like my video and comment below the description and share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, see you in next video. Alvida, bye bye, namaste and adios. Please all my dear friends, do not forget to like my video, because your like is a big motivation for me, and I want to help so many people of the world for learning Hindi. So do not forget to share my video with your friends on WhatsApp and Facebook. Please don't forget to press red button to subscribe my YouTube channel, and also press the bell icon for getting notifications of my new uploaded videos.